Hello students. So from your previous lectures, we have discussed various topics from your first unit, that is your introduction to water resource engineering. Okay. So we have discussed like what are the different water resources of the earth. Okay. Then world water resources, different water resource development projects, and also one important topic as irrigation. The necessity, advantages and disadvantages of irrigation. Clear? So today let us discuss with one more topic here, which is your water resource projects of India and Karnataka. Okay, now in this water resource projects, what exactly is this is, which are the different projects, okay, what is the name of the project, clear, which state it is situated, okay, next where it is located, that is near which river it is, okay, what type of hydraulic structure is constructed there. Now, when I say hydraulic structure, which type of dam is there or barrage is there? Okay. Next, also the benefit of that. So whatever the hydraulic structure is there, how much it is helping me out for irrigational project, how much it is helping me for irrigation or maybe for your water supply or maybe for your water, I can say electric supply. Clear? So what is the benefit through that project here? Let us discuss one by one here. Okay, so first one, if you see, it is Nagarjuna Sagar project, which is located in your Andhra Pradesh. So this is situated in your Andhra Pradesh state and it is near River Krishna. Okay, so you can see this, it is located near River Krishna. Okay, it is a kind of your composite earth and masonry dam it is, and it is helping me out for irrigation of nearly 8.3 lakh hectares. So this is the area, how much it is helping me for irrigation here. Clear? Next, if you see Bhakranangal project. Okay, now this is in your Himachal Pradesh. Okay, again it is situated near River Satluj. Clear? So these rivers you have to remember now here. Clear? So which project it is, in which state it is, and it is located near which river. So River Satluj you have here. And it is a type of gravity dam now, clear, and it is helping me for irrigation nearly for 15 lakh hectares land, and also for your power supply it is helping me out, clear. If you can see the first one, it is only for irrigation it is helping, the second one for irrigation also and for power supply also it is helping me out, clear. So this is your second one. Third, if you see Damodar Valley project, which is in your West Bengal, it is located near Damodar river. So River Damodar it is located with, clear, it is having dams, okay, it is having barrages here. So what are these dams, barrages, we will see in your next chapters, next units we will see, and it is helping me out for irrigation and power supply both, clear. For irrigation, if you see 3.7 lakh hectares. So that is the land it is helping me out for irrigation. Matlab it is supplying water for 3.75 lakh hectares land it is supplying water here for irrigation. Clear? Next, if you see Ghantak project, which is in Bihar, okay, where it is located, River Ghantak again. So one kind of clue you have, some of the names of the projects are with the names of the rivers itself. Okay, if you can see here, Damodar River, the project name is Damodar Valley project. Okay, here if you see River Ghantak, again the name of the project is Ghantak project. Okay, so these things are a little easy to remember. Clear? Again, if you see, it is having a barrage. It is helping me out for irrigation for 15 lakh hectares. Also for power generation, it is helping me out, okay, for 15 megawatts. Clear? Next, if you see Godavari barrage project, okay, where it is near Godavari river. Clear? So if you can see Godavari river, the name of the project is also Godavari barrage project. Okay. Now as Godavari barrage, it is having a barrage here. It is not having a dam, it is having a barrage. Clear? Now this barrage is helping me for irrigation nearly of 5 lakh hectares. Now these barrages are smaller, okay, hydraulic structures when compared to dams. So if you can see, the irrigation is also done with the less area only, just 5 lakh hectares. Clear? Next, if you see Hirakud project, which is in Orissa, okay, where it is located near Mahanadi river, okay, so near Mahanadi river it is located, it is having a composite dam and it is helping me for irrigation also, for generation of power supply also and for flood protection also. Okay, so we'll see this, which are the different, I can say, irrigational projects, okay, and what all purposes, multi-purpose projects they can serve us, okay, so this is one kind of your project. Next, if you see Mahanadi Delta project, okay, again it is in Orissa only, and again it is near your delta of Mahanadi, matlab महानदी रिवर के पास में ही है. Clear? Now here it is near Hirakud Dam. Okay, and it is again helping me for irrigation and for stabilization of irrigations. Okay, now here how much irrigation land it is helping me out for? 5.5 lakh hectares. Okay, so this is the land it is helping me for irrigation. Next, if you see Kangsabati project, which is in your West Bengal, and where it is located is again your river Kangsabati. Okay, so there only it is located. The name and the river both are same. Again, it is having two dams here. Two type of dams are there, and it is helping me for, I can say, 4 lakh hectares of irrigation. Clear? So these names you have to remember here. Okay, mainly. Next, if you see Mayurkashi project, which is in West Bengal, again it is where located near river Mayurkashi. Okay, it is having a dam now here, and for how much area it is helping me for irrigation? 3 lakh hectares. Clear? Next, if you see Kosi project in Bihar, it is okay, where it is located again near river Kosi. Okay, it is having a barrage here now again, and it is helping for hydroelectric power also, and it is helping for irrigation also here. Okay, through canal. Clear? So this is your Kosi project here. If you can see the name of the project and the river, both are same here. Clear? Next, Ukai project in Gujarat, okay, where it is located near river Tapi it is located. It is having composite type of dam here, okay, and it is helping me for 2 lakh hectares of your irrigation and plus for power generation also. Clear? Next, if you see Sardar Sarovar project in Gujarat, where it is located near river Narmada again, okay, it is a multi-purpose type of gravity dam. Clear? So when I say multi-purpose, it can be for various projects it is being used. Okay, so type of gravity dam, for what all purpose it is being used? 18 lakhs of irrigation it is being done, for providing drinking water for the people, okay, and for your power generation, all that this kind of your project is used, which is in Gujarat. Okay, so these are nearly 9 to 10 projects which are throughout the India, okay, all over India, which are the different projects in different states they are, okay, in that particular state near which river it is located, okay, what kind of dam or barrage it is having, that is which kind of structural hydraulic structure is built near that, and it is helping for what kind of project here. So whether it is helping for irrigation, whether it is helping for hydroelectric power generation, for water supply, okay, so these all things you have to remember here. Okay, so this can be a 5 mark or 10 mark question in your question paper. Okay, so you have to remember these names of the projects, their rivers, okay, where they are located, the state in which they are located, okay, if possible, okay, the type of hydraulic structure and the benefit they are giving. Clear? Next, if you see, we will discuss water resource projects of Karnataka. Okay, so in Karnataka, we just have 5 water resource projects here. Let us see them one by one. The first one is your Tungabhadra project, okay, which is near river Tungabhadra here in Bellary district, okay. It is having a type of masonry dam, okay, and it is helping me for 3.5 lakh hectares of irrigation. Clear? Next, if you see Bhadra project, where it is near Bhadra river, so very easy, isn't it, to remember? Your Tungabhadra, Tungabhadra river, Bhadra project, Bhadra river near it is, okay. Again, it is a masonry dam helping me for 1 lakh hectare land for irrigation and also for power generation. Next, Upper Krishna project, again near river Krishna it is, okay. Now here I have not written the states, isn't it? Why states? Because it is in Karnataka state only. So only one state, what are the different projects here? Okay, so understand I have not written the states here, it is not mentioned because it is in Karnataka. We are just understanding which is the project name and near which river it is located. Clear? So if you can see Upper Krishna, it is near river Krishna here, again a type of masonry dam here, okay, and irrigating 4 lakh hectares of land. Clear? Next, if you see Mallaprabha project, again near Mallaprabha river it is, masonry dam again, so you can see all these 4 are masonry dams, okay. Again it is helping for irrigating your 2.07 lakh of hectare land. Next, again Ghataprabha project near Ghataprabha river, clear? It is a type of composite dam here now, and it is helping me for irrigating 5.13 lakh hectares of land and also for generation of power. Clear? So these names you have to remember. In case if you have a 5-mark question, okay, mention the different water resource projects of Karnataka. So you're going to mention these projects, okay. Apart from these mentioning projects, you will mention each project, where they are located, near which river it is, what kind of type of dam or hydraulic structure they are having, and how much benefit it is giving me. Benefit, so how much land it is helping me for irrigation or maybe for power generation, okay. So these two, if you mention, it is very good. Else, at least the name of the project and near which river it is located is very, very important, okay. So these, I can say, names and all, you need to remember and by heart. Clear? Now this completes with your first unit, okay, of this subject, that is Introduction to Water Resource Engineering. Okay, now this chapter was just having 5 marks. Okay, so that we have finished by now. See that you just go through with your complete chapter. I'll be sending